Looking for that laid-back luxury life close to the beach? Hello, I'm Sandra from Mapro Night Frank. Let me show you around this contemporary villa, beautifully designed, effortlessly livable, set within the Quinta do Lago luxury resort. From the moment you walk inside, you are struck by a sense of generosity with an abundance of space and natural light that this exceptional 8-bedroom villa has to offer. The impressive double-height entrance hall makes an immediate statement, elegantly separating the living and sleeping quarters. The design is seamless, an open-plan layout, defined yet connected. The living room, dining room, and state-of-the-art kitchen flow effortlessly with a gas fireplace as a refined centerpiece. The kitchen is both functional and stylish, with premium appliances and a hidden butler's kitchen offering effortless entertainment. The left wing of the villa houses the guest suites, each with its own walk-in closet and direct access to the pool and a separate office to ensure comfort, privacy, and space for each member of the family or guest. The main bedroom is designed for absolute tranquility, with its own private terrace, dual walk-in closets, and beautifully appointed bathrooms. The lower level is a world of its own, perfect for entertaining, complete with a bar, a fully stocked wine cellar, and a cinema room for private screenings. Wellness is at the heart of this home, with a private spa featuring a sauna, a steam room, and a dedicated yoga space. For extended stays or additional privacy, this villa also includes a fully self-contained apartment with 2 bedrooms. Outdoor living is as refined as the interiors. A spacious lounge, an elegant fire pit, and an outdoor kitchen create the perfect setting for relaxation and entertainment. And of course, the pièce de résistance, or you can say the crowning jewel, is the spectacular roof terrace. Whether you start your day with a yoga session or end it winding down, watching the sun melt into the sea, the day begins and ends here. Thank you for joining me on this tour. For more information on this property, check our website, reference 1667, or contact us directly to schedule a private tour. Look forward to seeing you.